Today, the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering and Electrical Engineering, in association with GNIOT Institution Innovation Cell, an initiative of Ministry of Education, Government of India, is organizing an expert talk on the topic, "The best way to predict the future is to create it." And today's speaker is Mr. Abhishek Gupta. We are having you over here. We are very pleased, sir. And we will start with a brief introduction of sir. Mr. Abhishek Gupta, CEO and founder at Hex and Bits. He has a huge experience of more than 7 years of product development in the field of artificial intelligence, machine learning, embedded system, Internet of Things, Internet of Medical Things, and many more. He has worked for defense, medical, automotive, transportation, customer electronic devices and all. And he has an experience to work as a R&D head in Tevatron Technologies Private Limited, CTO of Centra Technology Private Limited under Electropreneur Park, an initiative from Ministry of Electronics and IT. We are having a talk from him today, and we are very pleased to have you, sir. And now I request our HOD, sir, Dr. Mukesh Oja, sir, to welcome our guest speaker. Sir.
Thank you, ma'am. So a very good afternoon to everyone. On behalf of ECE department, I welcome all of you for this webinar, which is going to deliver by Mr. Abhishek Gupta. My dear students and my dear friends, the objective of this webinar is to convert your ideas, your innovative thoughts into a business model, into the product. The expert of today's webinar, Mr. Abhishek Gupta, who is the CEO and the founder of HexnBit, is going to explore in details about how to convert your ideas, your thought process into a business model, into a product. I am sure this webinar is going to help many of you who want to pursue their career as an entrepreneur. So that's all from my end. I welcome you, sir, once again on behalf of ECE department. And now it's over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for that wonderful introduction. It was really helpful. So today's agenda would be to discuss on the entrepreneurship, the need of an hour. So everyone, we will have more interactive session in this webinar in next 1 hour, and I can assure you that you are going to learn a lot of things in next 1 hour. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. I hope it's can anyone please acknowledge whether my screen is visible?
Yes, sir, the screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay, thank you everyone, thank you. So everyone, we will start with our presentation on entrepreneurship. So myself, Abhishek. Today our agenda would be to discuss about entrepreneurship. What are the importance of entrepreneurship? Key elements. What are the key elements when you are working in the field of entrepreneurship, or you have planned some idea, what you need to take care of the points. Okay. Then we'll discuss about the market sentiments. Okay, just I'll add certain pointers. Yeah. So next we're going to discuss about the market sentiment, which is very, very important when you are working in the product development industry. Okay. So this point will be very, very, you can say, useful for you whenever you are planning your product, whenever you are building your idea. Okay. So make sure you get more information, or if you have any question at any particular time, you can ask me at any time. Okay. So next, after market sentiments, we'll discuss about the opportunities in entrepreneurship, case studies of the products that we have developed, and what sort of bridging that we have done with end customer and the product. We're also going to discuss about important tips and tricks like patent, Startup India registration, how to do those registration. Then we're going to conclude our presentation. So this will be our flow of our presentation. So to begin with, I'll just introduce in 2 to 3 minutes what HexnBit is all about. So HexnBit is providing one-stop solution to students as well as to working professionals in Industry Connect skill development program. So whether you talk about embedded system, whether you talk about IoT, PCB design, artificial intelligence, machine learning, software and web development, Android applications, all these programs we deliver to the candidates as well as working professionals with real-time projects. So we are now tied up with 50,000 plus candidates with 400 universities, 60 plus mentors and 10 plus industries, which are aiming to bridge the gap between industry and academia. And this is our entrepreneurship headline. Like, we are bridging the gap between industry and academia, and we are relating our journey with the entrepreneurship. Okay, so what are we offering? We are offering training program for students, professionals, corporate, interview preparation, center of excellence. So these are the, you can say, the offerings that we are having. Okay, so now directly we'll come to the program, which is entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. So before that, let me give you the glimpse of the product, what sort of products that you will see in the coming time and what sort of product that are there in the market. So that will give you an idea what you need to plan in your career. Okay, so I'm playing one video, very interactive video in which you will see how smart parking system can be developed, how we can monitor health from any remote location, okay, or you can say how we can deliver food from one location to another, any material. So you just have to, you will get the analysis or you get the idea how the product development will going to look like in the coming time. Okay, so yes. So I'm playing this video. This is by the Telit. Okay. I hope you are able to hear the audio and you can see the video. Can anyone?
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for that acknowledgement. So now have a look on this video and see what sort of product that you can develop, or you can relate the industry, current industry, with this video. Okay, right now you're seeing the mesh networking. Okay, in the mesh networking, data is getting hopped from one sensor to another, and then it is going to the cloud. So basically, this will give you the idea how to work on smart parking system. Next part of the video is how to monitor health of elderly people, or you can say even the youngsters. So how to monitor the health is the next section of this video. So this was just a glimpse how the future would look. Future would be will be, you can say, how the future will be predicted and what sort of product that you will see in the coming time. Even in COVID-19 situation, the last section of the video, like delivering product from one location to another, even the vaccines were delivered from one place to another using drones. Okay, so this is the good concept, and this will going to help a lot of this can resolve a lot of problem where where medicines cannot be reached via road, or because it will take a lot of time. So drone can definitely can help in various sectors. Okay, so let's start with our entrepreneurship presentation. So entrepreneurship and you can say entrepreneur. So what's the exact definition, or what's the agenda of becoming an entrepreneur? Okay, so first thing that you need to take care of is an entrepreneur is a person who finds solution in problem. This is the first step, because what the product right now, the products are like if you take example of Zomato, Ola, Uber, and you can say various various product like Swiggy. What they have done, they have seen the problem and they have come out with the solution, and now they are unicorns. Okay, so entrepreneur is a person who finds solution in the problem. Okay, he's solution oriented. It's a mindset, not it's a concept or you can study. It's a mindset that you have to build in your career. Okay. Next, what is that person turns idea into reality, seeks profitable opportunity, takes necessary risk to set up and operate a business. Okay, so overall